Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review swatch and tutorial on the Too Faced Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette Peaches and Cream Collection. This retails for $44. You can purchase it at Sephora, at Ulta, on TooFaced.com. And what it is 4 pearlescent powders. In my opinion, 2 are blushes and 2 are highlighters. And also, in my opinion, this palette is so beautiful and can work for any skin tone. So here are the swatches. As you can see, there's a few duochrome shades. It's very pearlescent, like a pearl metallic, and there is a matte one in there, but it also has little freckles of gold in it as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the tutorial part of this video. There are going to be 2 different looks, and I'm going to start off with the pinky shade Peach Pop, which has a gold kind of finish, but it has that pink shade to it, so it's more of a blush in my opinion. And what I'm doing is using a fluffy brush on the cheeks and just kind of swiping it almost in the highlighter and part of my face as a highlight as well. And as you can see, it's definitely very pigmented, and this brush definitely picked up some product, and you can build it up to your liking. But this is the Peach Pop Pinky shade, and I'm going to move on to the Peach Pearl shade, which is the lightest in the palette, to pair it with that pink shade. And it is very icy, champagne-y, and I like to use it in the inner corners, tip of the nose, brow bone, and high points of the cheekbones. But this pairing of the pink shade with the icy champagne shade, Peach Pearl and Peach Pop, is definitely one of my favorite combinations of the palette. And I do also want to mention how incredibly amazing smelling this palette is. It smells like you just bit into a juicy peach, and it's just so fruity, and that is the kind of smell that I like. It's not perfumey at all, and it eventually goes away within time. But now I'm going to move on to this shade, which is called Sugared Peach. It is the most matte in the palette, but it also has kind of gold flecks in it. It also is the most pigmented and picks up the most product. And if you tap it off, or try to tap off the product, then just the gold flecks come out. So then what I like to do is use a super soft bristled brush and just kind of tap it onto the cheeks. And that's why I'm using a different brush for Sugared Peach. But now I'm going to use the deeper highlighter, which is called Peach Honey, and I believe this shade still works for my skin tone, my medium to tan olive skin tone, but it definitely would look amazing on darker skin tones, tan to dark and deep skin tones, but it still works for my medium to tan olive skin tone. So as you can see, I'm putting it on the usual highlight parts of my face, and this combo with the Peach Honey and the Sugared Peach is definitely wearable, but I also want a more kind of highlighted look, so I'm going to go back into the Peach Pearl and just lightly top the other shade, Peach Honey, for a combination, and it works so well. And again, this look is also very nice, and I absolutely love it. This palette is definitely one of those I want to have a glowy face kind of palette. I also want to mention that this palette comes with a full-size mirror. It is paraben sulfate phthalate and gluten-free. And that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.